Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the black PS5 controller. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing, a quick look at and comparison versus the white controller. Let's jump right into this. So first things first, let's actually unbox this. Unboxing process is quite simple. We simply open it up, we get our controller inside a plastic sleeve. Simple as that. I think one of my biggest gripes with this is the fact that we don't actually get a Type-C cable included, especially with the price of this controller coming in at around €75. I think at this price range it should definitely have at least a Type-C cable in the box for charging, especially considering there's built-in battery pack here. I think including a Type-C cable makes much more sense on the PS5 controller, and I wish they would start doing that in the future. Overall, there is no real difference in comparison to the original white PlayStation 5 controller. We still have all of our usual features. There's a built-in microphone, we have our typical PlayStation 5 layout, our adaptive triggers, our really good rumble, and overall I think Sony has done a really good job upgrading the original PS4 controller to this. I feel like it's much more ergonomic, it feels much more solid in the hand, the adaptive trigger, the haptics, everything feels a lot better on this controller, and I think it's a great improvement from the PS4. Once you compare it to the white controller of the PS5, I think this gets even better. I think the blacked out look on this is absolutely fantastic. The face buttons with a light grey and black background look really cool, and I'm a huge fan of this, especially comparing it to the white one. I feel like this is a much more aesthetically pleasing controller. I think it's much cooler to look at. I think the only thing it's missing is a little bit of colour. I wish I had the original PlayStation face button colours, so the X, square, triangle and circle would have the original colours. I think that would be a nice touch, but I still think they did a really good job here, and I think it's much nicer, and this should have been the included controller alongside a black PS5, but I think Sony knew what they were doing with this. They did all this on purpose to sell more controllers. I've seen recently that they're going to be bringing out more controllers in the future in a lot more color schemes along with PS5 shells, and I think that's of course the long-term play for this, but I think the black controller is still going to be a really nice pickup. I think especially if you can get it on some sort of sale and you're looking for an extra controller, I think this is a great pickup. But anyway, that's been my unboxing in comparison with the white PlayStation 5 controller. I think both of these are good options, but I think if you're looking for a controller for the long term and you want something that looks better and will probably last longer without really visible scuffs or any sort of marking, I think the black controller is definitely the way to go in comparison to the white one, unless you get the white one on a cheaper sale, which is possible. I think these are a little bit cheaper by default, and then you get the black and red one for about 75, whereas this comes in for around 65 to 70. So really kind of pick your poison there. I definitely think the black one is the better choice here, but that totally depends on the pricing and when you can actually get it. Anyway guys, I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members, Sean Daly and Joshua Davis. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you'd like to have your name shout out in future videos or some other perks, be sure to click the join button under any video on the channel. It would really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. If you want to support me and help me create more videos in the future, be sure to drop a super thanks to this video. It would really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.